Welcome back to my channel, and we continue on our journey of cycle of transformation under the series How to Uphold Your Self-Worth to Build Your Net Worth। यानी कि हमें अपना आत्म मूल्य कैसे बढ़ाते रहना है ताकि हमारा निवल मूल्य भी बढ़ता रहे। पिछले एपिसोड में मैंने हाउ टू क्वांटिफाई, जो पॉइंट नंबर 4 है हमारा साइकिल ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का, हाउ टू क्वांटिफाई के पहले 4 पॉइंट्स बताए थे, और इस एपिसोड में मैं आपको बाकी के 4 पॉइंट्स बताने वाली हूँ। बिफोर दैट, प्लीज press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I publish a YouTube video, and subscribe, share and like। आप प्लीज कमेंट जरूर करिएगा, आपके कमेंट्स मुझे फीडबैक देते हैं। अगर आप मेरे से 1-to-1 सेशन करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज आप मुझे डेफिनेटली कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा and I will connect with you। So let's get started। The next point that I'm going to talk about is minimize expenses on unnecessary by reviewing them every year। Every year, this should be an annual exercise that families should sit together and do it। So if your children are already teenagers, or even if they're not, they understand something about expenses and everything, and बच्चे आजकल सब समझते हैं because they understand pocket money, they understand how much they are getting when relatives are giving them money or whatever it is, so they do understand, they have a basic sense of money management। So please include them। So make this budget a yearly budget, a family affair, and where all of you sit together and you make a budget about what is necessary and what is not necessary। Like for example, if you are using your broadband through a service provider A and a service provider B is giving you a discount for another year, you can always take that। वहां पे saving होती है, बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है। So it is extremely important that we pay attention to all these minutest details, because it is always the smallest things that make the bigger differences, and that applies in each and every aspect of our life। The next thing that I am going to talk about is save early in life to have an easier and fuller saving। This is something that I have never done। I was unable to save in my 20s, my 30s, and of course I really had a very very tough time। जितना भी मैंने कमाया वो मैंने गवाया भी, और बहुत कुछ हुआ। There were a lot of things, there were certain situations which were controllable, there were certain situations which were just not controllable। And of course when you're chasing the dream of being an entrepreneur, a lot of things happen when you're starting startups, and they really don't take flight the way they are supposed to be। So it is very important that you earn early in life so that you have better and fuller savings for the later years of your life। And I am talking early means जब आँख खुले तभी सवेरा। अगर आज आपको इस बात का एहसास हो रहा है तो आज ही अर्ली है आपके लिए, मेरे लिए भी आज ही अर्ली है। If I am getting present to the fact कि आज से पहले नहीं किया, आज ही सुनने में आ रहा है, आपने अभी मेरा वीडियो देखा, आपको अभी पता लग रहा है, so then just do it right now, because अभी भी है ना काफी साल जिंदगी के। हम लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं है कि हमारा रिटायरमेंट कैसा होना चाहिए। Our old life should be very satisfying। We should not be worried about medical expenses, we should not be worried about कि क्या आएगा, कहाँ से आएगा, कैसी चीज होगी, कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि ओल्ड एज में जाके हमें सपोर्ट ज्यादा चाहिए होगा। हमारा सपोर्ट सिस्टम बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, हमें केयर गिवर्स हायर करने पड़ेंगे, हो सकता है कुछ ऐसा सिस्टम हो जिसमें हमें पैसे लगाने पड़ेंगे, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी सेव now for our future। We will be really doing a huge favor to our future selves, trust me। There are only 2 ways of increasing our net worth: minimize expenses or maximize earnings। This is something I just talked about few minutes ago। There are only 2 ways कि either हम अपने जो expenses है हम लोग कॉर्नर्स कट करते रहे, और कॉर्नर्स कट करके हम लोग जैसे तैसे, लेकिन उससे क्या होता है, there is a feeling of lack, कि लगता है कि ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, बहुत एक खिंचाव सा होता है अंदर, ठीक है। सो उससे नहीं काम चलेगा, because that will bring in other things, and there will be so much that we will be thinking and not really paying attention, because financial turmoils really really bring us down totally। If we are doing very well financially, we are happier people. Finances are very, very important. Money is very important. And whoever said money is not important really wasn't talking sense. Trust me. हाँ, हम लोग काफी बचपन से यही बात सुनते हैं कि पैसा क्या पेड़ पे उगता है? जी हाँ, पैसा पेड़ पे ही उगता है, क्योंकि बनता था वो पेपर से ही है और पेपर पेड़ों से ही आता है. तो पैसा पेड़ पे ही उगता है. Let's respect it. And let's respect money as one of our own and not have ill feelings towards money. I will be talking about this topic in another video or podcast of mine. But for now, let's focus on earning more and not really cutting corners. So find additional ways of income. You could be freelancing. You must be having a talent. Maybe you sing very well. Maybe you know how to play an instrument. कुछ भी हो, you can give tuitions, you can do network marketing, you can just be a freelancer, you can write. There are so many opportunities available. In case you wish to be a freelancer, please do get in touch with me. And I have a module on how to uphold your self-worth, to build your net worth through freelancing. So please stay connected with me and join in my community soon. Finally, I am going to talk about one thing. Prioritize on what is necessary to spend on. Priorities change with time and situation. We need to prioritize right now what we need to spend on. Is it really essential? Please ask yourself. When we go, especially women, when we go out shopping, it's like ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी अच्छा है. Impulsive buying बहुत ज्यादा होती है. And men do impulsive buying on gadgets. Women do impulsive buying on products like cosmetics, jewelry, or clothes and all that. And is it really essential? Please ask yourself, is it essential? Do I really have something similar? Sometimes we come back home and realize that मेरे पास already 5 black चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं और मैंने एक और black ले लिया या 2 और black ले आई मैं. They all look similar. They don't look different. And we really not going to like wear all of them together. So it is very important. बस अलमारियां ही भरते रहेंगे, चीजें ही भरते रहेंगे. So is it really essential? Do we really need it? And with time, the need will change. Will I really need it tomorrow? Will I really need it in long term? If not, then don't get it, because that money will go into your savings, making your days happier. अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ से एक बात शेयर करती हूँ. जब जरूरत होती है ना, तब कोई हाथ में 10 रुपया भी आके नहीं देता है. I have had days when I did not even have food to eat because I did not have any money, and there was nothing. So I'm sure many of you would have gone through such days. And think of those days and spend very judiciously when we are shopping, when we are doing other things, and totally focus on increasing the income, finding additional ways of income, multiple streams of income. Thank you so much. You've been a phenomenal audience. My social media links are given below. Please connect with me. I would love to do a one-to-one session with you. My survey link is given below. Please connect and I will see you on the other side. Okay? Till then, have fun and keep upholding your self-worth to build your net worth. अपना आत्ममूल्य बढ़ाते रहिए ताकि निवल मूल्य बढ़ता रहे.